Hey, Mike Foster here. This is one of my rare nighttime versions of Mike Eats the Street. Today I'm going to McDonald's with my wife. We're on vacation. I don't usually eat a lot of McDonald's, but we're hungry, and I'm going to try the crispy chicken sandwich deluxe. Let's check it out. Let's eat the street. How you doing? Guess where I'm at? We're not looking. McDonald's. I'm gonna do a crispy chicken sandwich deluxe. These are their fries. Everyone says McDonald's got the best fries. Let's try it. They are pretty darn good. All right, I'm gonna do the deluxe. I'm eating the street. Let's take a look at it. Well, you can't really tell from there. Let's take a look up here. Okay, look at this. I'm actually in Lincoln City, Oregon. It's 9 o'clock at night. We haven't eaten all day. That's a lie, we eat junk. There it is. Let's take a bite. Got a little tomato, got a little lettuce, got a little mayo. I'll tell you this, it's crispy. And guess what else it is? It's chicken. It's not bad. Now, I don't know what this is. I'll make you look at that. Let's take a... It's a mayo-y... I don't know. It's not bad. When you get a deluxe, though, you get tomato and lettuce. One thing I've noticed lately, especially small towns like this, the produce is terrible. That tomato sucks. So that's not McDonald's fault, but they just can't. I mean, I don't know why they can't get a good tomato. So that's thumbs down. I wish there was a pickle on this. That's what she said. If you get the non-deluxe, I should have just got the pickle one. But the chicken's not bad. I don't eat a lot of meat lately. Chicken's actually not that bad. Here, let's just try the chicken. There's the chicken. Where is it? Right there. There's the mayo on my knuckle. Let's just try the chicken. That's not bad. There's a little aftertaste. I don't know what that is. It could be what's... If you don't see me again after this, it was probably something that killed me. It was probably some type of poison. So, not bad for McDonald's. Especially when you're starving. I don't eat red meat anymore. Oh. McDonald's crispy chicken deluxe. I give it about a 7. Not bad. How's your Big Mac?
It's a 10.
My wife's Big Mac's a 10 because she really hasn't had any food. We've been on the road. What is it? 1,400? How many miles have we traveled?
1,270.
We've traveled 1,270 miles in 2 days to get to this beach. It is pretty. I'll show you some pictures of that. But 7 for that. Fries. Let's try the fries. Oh, you can't just have one fry, Mike? No. I'll be nice. Fries 8. Overall, McDonald's 7.5. Mike Eats the Street. Check out Live Life 365 at YouTube for more videos like this. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
He's a pig. I think that's enough. Baba.